Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. Every drone enthusiast knows the excitement that builds as DJI launches a new addition to its Mini series, and the upcoming Mini 5 Pro has the community buzzing. With expectations set high and hopes for groundbreaking features, we'll explore what might make the Mini 5 Pro a game-changer. Stay tuned as we look at the potential upgrades, improvements in camera technology, increased battery life, and all the features every drone pilot will want to know. Moving on to the exciting part, the upgrades we expect to see in the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Based on current trends and user feedback, DJI may introduce major enhancements, making the Mini 5 Pro a must-have for both professional photographers and casual drone pilots. Here's what's most anticipated. DJI could increase the Mini 5 Pro's flight time to over 40 minutes, making it ideal for lengthy sessions. This change would be transformative, allowing users to capture more without interruption, something that could appeal especially to professionals in film and photography. We expect the Mini 5 Pro to feature a larger, possibly 1-inch sensor, which would improve low-light performance, allowing for higher quality imagery and enhanced video stabilization. Users could capture clearer, sharper images even in challenging conditions, setting a new standard for portable drones. Safety remains a top priority, and the Mini 5 Pro could feature real-time obstacle detection and improved tracking technology to ensure users can navigate difficult environments effortlessly. Autonomous flight modes, powered by AI, are on the wish list of many drone enthusiasts. Advanced AI could introduce intelligent tracking, allowing the Mini 5 Pro to automatically follow a subject and maintain steady footage, perfect for capturing dynamic action scenes. Improved connectivity through Wi-Fi 6 would mean faster data transfer, ideal for those who need quick access to their footage. As DJI continues its tradition of innovation, the release of the Mini 5 Pro could fortify its position in the market. Competitors like Auto Robotics and Skidio are releasing high-performance models, making it crucial for DJI to differentiate itself. The Mini 5 Pro has the potential to be DJI's flagship compact drone, offering the performance needed for both casual flyers and aerial videographers. Pricing between $700 and $800 could make the Mini 5 Pro accessible yet competitive. This range allows DJI to cater to both the professional market and serious hobbyists, appealing to a broader audience while providing solid value. The Mini 5 Pro could introduce an upgraded control system with intuitive controls and an easy setup process, ensuring that even new users can start flying quickly. The Mini 5 Pro could come with new accessories like high-capacity batteries, faster chargers, and extended propeller guards for added safety. Improved gimbals for smoother footage in windy conditions. Water-resistant cases for protection, lens filters to improve color balance in different lighting conditions. As the release of the Mini 5 Pro approaches, it's clear that DJI has the potential to revolutionize the compact drone market. If successful, the Mini 5 Pro could set new industry standards, pushing competitors to innovate further. The DJI Mini 5 Pro's rumored features suggest it could be the ideal drone for anyone looking to capture stunning visuals, create dynamic videos, or simply enjoy the thrill of flight with top-tier safety features. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, this drone promises to offer something for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates on the Mini 5 Pro and other tech news. Hit the like button if you're as excited as we are, and leave a comment below on what you hope to see in the new Mini 5 Pro.